Hello class, this is Mr. Smith. Welcome back to the Google Plus typing class. Today we're going to learn how to add a picture to your Gmail or Google profile. To do this, make sure you already have a picture saved to your computer. And then you are going to log into your Gmail account and come up here to the gearbox, click on that for settings. Scroll down to the settings menu, click on that. Then you're going to scroll about halfway down until you see an option for My Picture right there, a little bit above the signature box where we were working yesterday. You click on Select a Picture. Apologies, this is Spanish, but you're going to hit Select a Picture again. Up will pop the dialog box. I have my picture saved under Pictures, and we're going to choose this Google Plus logo there. Open that up. Then you can adjust the crop or which part of the image is being displayed. And we'll go with that. Hit Apply Changes. And you have a picture set to your Google account. Now to add one to your profile, we're going to come up here to the Account button. Click on that. And go over here to Change, where the generic image is being displayed. Click on Change. This will also allow you to upload a photo, or you can search your Google Photos. We're going to go to the same spot here, so select the image from your computer. Click on the same logo. It uploads it. Again, we're going to adjust the crop here to display just that part of it. Hit Set as Profile Pic. And there we go. We have added an image to our Google account and to our Gmail address. This will be displayed to anybody you send an email to. They'll see a little picture next to you. Also helps if they have you in your contacts. Sometimes the contacts will update immediately to this on their smart device. And so that's it. That's how to change your picture on your profile.